Hello, everybody. Like I promised, here is Volume 2. This is their Storefolio box for storing all your comics from the series. And then this little guy I'll get to right after I pull out Volume 2. Has magnetic closure on it. And then a plastic cover for the outside of the box. And just so happens, I have the cover that is actually on this one, which is very cool. Really matches. I kind of wish I had gotten one before on the first one, but I actually didn't realize that they had them because I didn't read the whole thing. Everyone is signed. I don't think there's anything on the back of this, no. And then, as an add-on, they were going to make this for the first volume, but they were still just trying to design it and everything. So this is a 3D printed 7-inch paracas skull. It was a nice little add-on. I still haven't quite found where I'm going to put them yet, but I'll figure that out soon enough. Just a nice little add-on. That's cool. It's a fair size. They had a 4-inch and a 7-inch. I'm not sure if these will be for sale later on or if it was just a Kickstarter thing. I'm not exactly aware. Put him here. So, first off, they had to change printers, I think. I can't remember exactly what it was, but that there was some slight changes from the style of the comic from volume 1 to volume 2. Let's grab volume 1 here and I'll show you the difference. On volume, that thing, a little unstable. So you kind of have to lean it up against something. Put them back there. Okay, volume 1, it has a matte outside cover. And also the inside, the pages are glossy on volume 1. On volume 2, pull this off here. Volume 2, the outside is gloss. Oh, I thought they had changed. I thought that was changed. I thought the spine was changed. But they look pretty well the same. Okay, I was under the impression the spine changed. Anyway, they've reversed everything. The inside on this one's glossy, the inside on this one's matte, and the outside reversed, which isn't a huge deal. I kind of like both of them. Okay, so we'll get into this. So now your inside is more matte. Still some shine to it, but it's not as gloss as volume 1 here. Still really nice. And we'll go through here a little bit and look at some of the art. The artist does a very nice job. Can't wait to get into this one and start reading this one. Because I literally just finished volume 1. I've been doing a lot of other stuff. So I haven't really had the time to sit back and just read it. So I finally got a chance to, today, read volume 1. And it was pretty good. And I can't wait to get on this one. But it might be a few days before I actually read it, because I'm doing a lot of stuff on YouTube, trying to learn editing, trying to get my Instagram page going, my Twitter page going, get a website going, and all that subsequent stuff that goes along with it, like Google Analytics and all those other lovely programs you need to learn and whatnot. So these have kind of been sitting on the back burner for a little bit. Go through a couple pages here. And you're just constantly like jumping back and forth through time on this, which I kind of like. I like shows and movies that do that too. It's keeps it more interesting. That's cool. Little bike and a scooter. Can't wait to really get into this and start to really learn about the lore of this series that they're making. Like, I'm a big Ancient Aliens fan, or was in the past anyway. I haven't watched it in quite some time. But there's a lot of sound theories that you just can't swipe under the table. And this is a really neat way to try to get into that. Oh, kind of almost wish I had gotten that gold skull there. Okay, so that answered my question about the paracas skull. You can get them on their website at archeopunk.com, which I will be leaving the links to in the description below. Should check them out too. I think I actually have them on my subscribe, but I've just been so busy I forget about half the channels I even subscribe to. Yeah. That is Archeopunk's Josh Blaylock, Arkworld Volume 2. And the back says, the Archeopunk saga continues in the second installment when a discovery turns our understanding of history upside down. A couple abruptly finds themselves swept up in a deep state conspiracy that threatens the world. Only the year is 11,000 BCE, and Earth is nothing like we have been told. Meanwhile, in the present, powerful people race to uncover the secret of the ancient society. Right on. Yeah, I gotta agree. It captivated the shite out of me. That was my review on that one. Very nicely done. I love the series so far. Can't wait to pop into this one here. If you enjoy my videos, please leave a like and subscribe for more content and more reviews in the future. Thank you very much. Stay safe and have a good day. See you in the next video.